No matter if you are posting a student assistant position or a federal work-study position, strong job descriptions are essential for both students and their supervisors as a written record of job expectations. This will let the student know if they are qualified, whether the position is of interest to them, and what will be expected of them if hired. This will help supervisors recruit the strongest candidates. When it comes to job responsibilities, consider these questions. What will the student be doing on a daily basis? Are there any big projects that the student will be working on? Who will the student be interacting with? And what is the student responsible for? When it comes to skill development is important for the recruitment of students. Student employment can serve as a meaningful and experiential activity for workers. Therefore, these students should be aware of what they can learn by working for your department. Think of some transferable skills the student may gain. How can they use this job for future endeavors? How will this job serve as a talking point on their resume? When writing qualifications and requirements, consider the following areas: job type, experience, and if there will be any physical activity. For job type, think of what kind of positions you are hiring for. Are you hiring student assistants, federal work-study positions? For education, are you looking for students of a certain major, certain GPA? Will you hire an undergraduate or graduate student? In terms of experience, should the student have previous experience in the field in order to work for you? Are there any programs or software the student must be proficient in to complete their duties? What are some of the skills necessary to succeed? In terms of physical activity, will the student be lifting or performing any manual tasks? Will the student be spending long periods of time standing? Last but not least, you want to think about application instructions. This will help explain to the student how they can apply for the position. Would you like a resume and a cover letter? Do you prefer references or letters of recommendation? And finally, should the student submit their materials through Handshake? These are all very important questions to think about when writing a job description. To find more materials in order to make meaningful job descriptions, please visit the Student Employment website at www.stonybrook.edu/student-employment. If you have any questions regarding student assistants or federal work-study students, please contact the Career Center. If you have particular questions regarding federal work-study, you may contact the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarship Services. If you have questions about payroll and timesheets, please contact Human Resources. If you have any questions regarding international students, please contact Visa and Immigration Services.